I want to tell you an experience of one of my clients told me about that they used in the automotive sector. And that was customer came in, first time customer. And the customer came in and said that they were bringing a vehicle in for their wife. I think it was a sports car. And they were bringing it in for a pre-purchase inspection. And if the inspection went well, then the husband was going to gift it to the wife. So there's the intelligence that you understand that this car is a gift. So the shop went out and purchased a big red bow at Party Packagers, okay, and got it and bought a card also. Now they broke the one rule of a +1 is it shouldn't cost very much money. So maybe they spent $25 on this. They then brought it back to the shop after they knew that the vehicle had passed the pre-purchase inspection, and they brought it back in, and they when the customer came to pick it up, they had a bow on top of the car ready to be picked up that the customer could then take home, put it back on when he gave it to his wife.